Hey guys, thanks for watching again. I was gonna make 3 separate videos, but then I thought, hey, why don't I just make one video? So I have just one video now for these 3 boxes that I'm gonna be unboxing. 2 of them are from Amazon.com and 1 is from eBay.com. And this gonna make this be a mystery, so I'm not gonna put what it is in the title. I'm just gonna be opening it and you can see what I got. Thought it might be a nice change of pace to just put all this in one video and also make it a surprise when I open these things. So I'm choosing to open this box first. In this box I have some supplements. It is Clash by MTS Nutrition. They're pre-workouts that have creatine, monohydrate inside, and some other things. And I got 2 of the 30 serving containers. Okay, I'm done with that. Next is open another Amazon box. This one's kind of heavy actually. I wonder what's inside. Stay tuned and you will find out what it is. Unboxing this. Inside of this is it's a chemistry book. Fundamentals of Chemistry in the Laboratory. Yeah, and it's pretty good. There's no writing inside and I'm happy about that. Yeah, it's a used book that's a rental from Amazon. It's cheaper than going to my bookstore. And the second book is another chemistry book. It's Chemistry, a Molecular Approach. I already completed chemistry in school. Oh, this is another rental, so I have to return it at the end of the semester. But since I already took this, so I didn't take this particular class. I took the beginning chemistry, and this is the next level after that. I'm taking this because it's required for my major. I'm doing computer science now, so that's something exciting and fun. The final package is my eBay package. So you can see it. It says it's from eBay in the top right corner here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. This is actually refreshing, opening multiple packages in one video. Okay, this is a seller with extremely good feedback. I purchased from him previously twice before, and he's always come through with really fast shipping, and this time was no different. Inside of this are 5 USB chargers. I'm just counting it really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, looks right. And there are 5 wall chargers. And then finally, there's 5 LG fuel phones. These are the LG, oh, not fuel, I'm sorry. 5 LG World 2 phones by ZT. Wait a minute. Maybe I got it confused with another. I guess they're ZTE World phones. They're not LG phones. Yeah. So, and there's 5 ZTE batteries. Woohoo! You can see how there's 5 in there. There's 5 of these phones. And that's it. Alright, well, as always, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll try to respond to your comments quickly. And there we go. That's all the stuff I bought. Okay, see you guys.